If you're still spending hours searching for jobs manually, you're making the process much harder than it needs to be. Instead, let Claude do the heavy lifting for you. Let's get started. Open your internet browser. On the search bar, type Claude. Open this link. You can continue with your Google account. This is the Claude interface. Claude has become one of the leading AI assistants for writing, programming, research, and business productivity. Its combination of strong reasoning, document understanding, coding capabilities, and emphasis on safety makes it a popular choice for individuals and organizations looking to automate tasks and improve productivity. Here you can enter any prompt. Click on the plus icon. Choose Add Files and Photo option. Upload your resume. Make sure to turn web search on. When you turn web search on in Claude, you're allowing Claude to search the live internet while answering your question instead of relying only on its built-in knowledge. This helps it provide more current and verifiable information. Then I will paste this prompt. I'm going to upload my resume. Act as an AI recruitment expert and career advisor. Conduct a comprehensive analysis of my resume to determine the most suitable fresher or entry-level positions based on my skills, education, and experience. Search for genuine job openings across startups, scale-ups, multinational companies, MNCs, consulting firms, and both technical and non-technical industries in. Choose your preferred country, like in my case it's Pakistan. Include only verified application links for each opportunity. Evaluate how well each role matches my profile by assigning a fit score out of 100. Organize the opportunities into a prioritized application list with 3 categories: high probability, medium probability, and stretch roles. Provide at least 20 relevant job opportunities along with their application links. And hit enter. Claude will automatically search for relevant job openings and generate a clean dashboard showing each position, along with a compatibility score based on your skills, experience, and resume. This makes it much easier to see which opportunities are actually worth your time. As a general rule, focus on jobs where your match score is 75% or higher. If a role scores below 75%, it's usually better to spend your time applying to stronger matches where you have a better chance of getting an interview. You can see a number of websites where jobs are available. By clicking on them, you can view details. This simple workflow can save you hours of searching and help you apply more strategically instead of sending out hundreds of random applications. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.